Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video,
and they have released some kind of secret memos. And today, from the intelligence gathering of the indigenous people of Biafra, from the intelligence report coming from the M branch of our intelligence unit, there will be a lot of aggression. There will be a lot of aggression from the report. And please, you must make all arrangements to return home quickly and pray for those who may be vulnerable to this Fulani jihadists and terrorists and ISIS. I want to inform Biafrans today and Oduduwa people that are you aware that ISIS have been, unleashing mayhem and different terrorist attacks across the Middle Belt? Are you aware? Are you aware that series of attacks has taken place unreported by the ISIS, not ISWAP? I mean ISIS. Are you aware of that? You may like to join us tomorrow when we are going to give a comprehensive analysis of series of attacks, and the ISIS has taken responsibility of these attacks in different locations in Nigeria. For the past days, a very heavy and serious attack has taken place in different locations in Nigeria, and ISIS has taken responsibility. Did you hear it from the Nigerian newspapers and the Nigerian news media? No, the answer is no. But ISIS has taken responsibility of several attacks across Nigeria. You people are not aware of that. We are going to make that information public tomorrow. So we are asking you, especially those of you in Biafra land and those of you Biafra people in Oduduwa land, from tonight, stay at home after 6 p.m. After 6 p.m., stay at home. From this Wednesday, after 6 p.m., stay at home. If you are a Biafra person, this message goes to you directly. So we are calling on all Biafra group, all media group, to make sure this message is shared across the southern Nigeria. From Wednesday, stay at home after 6 p.m. And this staying at home after 6 p.m. should last for the next 2 weeks. There are heavily armed Fulani terrorists, ISIS, who have invaded the entire and infiltrated the entire Nigeria. And they are now targeting the southern Nigeria, and they came from different parts of Africa, specifically targeting the southern Nigeria from the west, and they are also already scattered across the country. Our intel revealed that for the next 2 weeks will be a very, very hostile situation in the southern part of Nigeria. The intel I am giving to you today, the Nigeria Army intelligence agents are aware of it. As of this Wednesday at 8 p.m., there will be a general roundup in the whole country. Regardless of your identity card, it is not to be neglected. By Wednesday, from 8 p.m. I want you to understand that the auto-piloted movement of the Biafra and IPOB worldwide will always be there to review these security measures and to make sure that our women and our children are secured. As we have successfully secured our bushes and our farmland, irrespective of the fact that when the Nigerian government noticed that we have defeated the terrorists that were butchering and beheading our women in the forest, they unleashed the Nigeria military, that some of them are not even Nigerians. And what they did was to come to Biafra land to be causing mayhem and killing people just to fight against Biafra. Today, it is no longer about Biafra. It is no longer about Biafra. The real agenda of the Nigeria federal government, Usman Danfodio conquest, have come openly now for the declaration of the jihadist war, the holy war, to take over our land, while Peter Obi and his group are looking for a non-existent Nigeria to become a president. So, my Oduduwa brothers and sisters, our prayers are with you. Even though we, the Biafra people, have paid the biggest price of this whole Nigeria scam, because on daily basis, our people are massacred in Imo State. On daily basis, our people are massacred in Anambra State. On daily basis, our community are under fire. Nobody is talking, nobody is speaking for us. Not our friends, not our brothers, not our sisters, because the information is not being released publicly. And when the information is public, nobody talks about it. But because we are different people, we will always be our brother's keeper. We have always been like that. It is a culture that we can never change. So our Oduduwa brothers and sisters, we want you to know today that we will stand by you. We will always stand by you, and we condemn these killings that took place today. It is not about you. It is about us. The attack on Yoruba soil is attack on Biafra. The attack on Christians is attack on all Christians all over Nigeria. The attack on anybody that is not happy with Nigeria is attack on us. So we will always be with you. We feel your pain. We are going to fight this together, and we are going to be victorious at the end. I want to also appeal to Oduduwa brothers and sisters to adopt our no election in 2023 officially. We want to see you start preaching it, because when this killing is happening in Sokoto, nobody thinks it is going to happen in Ondo State today. When the bomb was exploding in other parts of the country, nobody knows that the attack is going to take place in Ondo State today. And of course, when this attack takes place in Sokoto, they will say it is not a gas explosion. When attack takes place in Biafra land, they say it's IPOB. While we know the people doing this attack are Fulani terrorists. When the attack takes place in Oduduwa land, they say it's a bomb blast. The Nigeria corrupt media already was spreading the fake news, as usual, that what happened in Ondo State was a bomb blast. It was never a bomb blast. It was a terrorist attack. They went with AK-47, well armed, and slaughtered over 100 people. This is the biggest assault on Yoruba soil since after the war ever recorded in Nigeria history. And let me tell you, if you think that this attack is going to be the last attack, you are dreaming. This is just the beginning. And we are also calling our Oduduwa brothers to adopt this our own security measures, at least for a start. Because the attack will come. More of this attack is going to come. And if it happens in Biafra land, and the church, after listening to this broadcast, did not put this necessary security measure at least to curtail the number of victims, that church will regret, because you have the opportunity now. We have been vindicated 1 million times. Every intel we have given has always happened like that.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new buzz boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.